Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync KW Command with Google Sheets. So all your contacts, all your leads in KW Command can automatically get placed into a Google Sheet. It'll be reflected in real time, so any work you do in KW Command automatically also updates on that Google Sheet. It makes it easy to collaborate. You can share whoever you want from that Google Sheet with marketing team, with an admin, with an assistant. And also you can set it up two ways. So anybody you add to that Google Sheet automatically gets put into KW Command. A lot of agents also will set up a Google Sheet connected to a Google form or some other form, and then they can fill out the form. They're automatically connected to that Google Sheet. It syncs it right into KW Command, and you can start following up immediately. Let me show you what it looks like to set this up. So first you're gonna go into KW Command, and you're gonna come over here and click on this little marketplace icon. That's going to take you out to the KW Marketplace, where you can get all the API Nation syncs for KW Command. So I'm just going to search for Google Sheets. It's going to show me the Google Sheets syncs available here in the Marketplace. We have one for .loop, DocuSign Rooms, and here's the KW Command. So I can click through and read all about that. Once you have all the information you need, go ahead and click the Buy Now. Once you follow the prompts to purchase the integration, at the very end, there'll be this button that says Go to My Apps. Click that and it'll take you to the My Apps area of the marketplace. You'll see a tile there that says KW Command, a Google Sheets. Click on that and that will take you to setting up the integration you've just purchased. And this is what that setup looks like. So you've connected KW Command. We just need to connect Google Sheets. I can click this button to go ahead and connect my Google Sheets account. It's going to offer me all the Google accounts I have on this computer. I'm just going to choose the one I want and hit allow. All right, KW Command and Google Sheets are now both connected. Now we're going to go ahead and create our sync. So there's a few options here. Let's start down here. It's going to ask exactly what do we want to sync? Are we syncing things from a Google Sheet into KW Command? Are we syncing things from KW Command to Google Sheets? Are we doing both? Totally up to you. I'm going to start with just KW Command to Google Sheets. You also want to double check you're not using any other apps to currently sync stuff from a Google Sheet into KW Command. So go ahead and verify that. These questions up here, sync all contacts on first run. If you're syncing stuff out of KW Command like we're sending it to Google Sheets. If you check this box, it's going to take everybody in your KW Command and everybody you add in the future and push it into that spreadsheet. If you uncheck the box, it's just going to start adding people from today going forward. So anybody you add today, anybody you add next week, those people will be on the spreadsheet. Totally up to you. You're also going to want to name the spreadsheet that you're creating. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit continue. You can see we've created the sync now, and if there's anything else we want to do, we can do it here on this page. If we want to just go ahead and activate it, start sending those contacts over, just hit this big button. I'm going to show you two more things though. First, there's this filter tool. So if you're creating, for example, a spreadsheet full of people who've been tagged with a certain thing, you can go ahead and come on down here, go into filter, tags, contains, something like FISBO, and then it'll have a spreadsheet with everybody you've tagged as FISBO or welcome gift, and it's going to have everybody you've tagged with welcome gift. So this is a great way to create a list for a collaborator just using tags in KW Command. You can just tag them and it's going to populate the spreadsheet you've shared with somebody you're collaborating with. I'm going to go ahead and clear out the filter. I want everybody in there. I'm going to go ahead and save. Finally, you can come down here to mapping. Google Sheets mapping. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to take every field we can from KW Command and put it into a Google Sheet. So you can go through here and look exactly what's going to come through, but it's pretty much everything available. I'm going to go to the top and hit activate this sync. There we go. The sync is now active. Now anybody I add to my KW Command is going to also get added to my Google spreadsheet. So I can hop in there, I can create reports, I can create charts, I can filter and find exactly who I need using the power of the spreadsheet. And if you decide you want to set it up as a two-way sync, what you'll need to do is go ahead and delete this current sync, remove this workflow, and then you're going to go back to the My Apps area of KW Marketplace, click on the Google Sheets and KW Command tile again, and go through setup once again. this time choosing to sync Google Sheets to KW Command and KW Command to Google Sheets. It's going to be the same question, sync all contacts, and create a sheet name. Once you do that, you can see there's now 2 syncs available to set up. KW Command to Google Sheets is going to look exactly like what we just set up. Google Sheets to KW Command is a little bit different, so let me show you. It's going to ask you for a spreadsheet URL so that it knows where to pull the information from. So if you have a spreadsheet full of leads that you've been wanting to get into KW Command, you can go ahead and post that URL there. Or a lot of agents who are using something like Google Forms to capture contact information, they'll have inside Google Forms connected to a Google Sheet. So you can see if you go to responses, click view sheet, it's going to show you where all those responses would live. And you're just going to grab this URL so that you can connect effectively that Google form to KW Command. So I'm going to come back here, paste it in. There we go. You can see there's just a few options left. As they come in, should I mark them as leads or should I mark them as contacts? I'm going to go ahead and mark them as leads. And then if they happen to already exist in KW Command, do I want it to override information or do I just want it to fill any blanks? I'm going to click the box, do not overwrite information, just fill any blanks. Again, you can filter, and then you're going to come down here to mapping and just map up the information that came over from that Google form. There we go. Anything else you want to add, you can go ahead and throw it in here. This looks good though. I'll go ahead and activate the sync. So once you set up both syncs and activate them, they'll live here in your My Syncs area of API Nation. If you ever need to access them, you can sign into the KW Marketplace, go to My Apps, and click on that Google Sheets and KW Command tile. So that's it. That's how you connect KW Command to Google Sheets, get all those contacts and leads into a spreadsheet. And then if you have any contacts and leads you want to get into KW Command, you can connect that right to KW Command as well. It's going to save you a ton of time, allow you to use the power of the spreadsheet to slice and dice all your contact information and get great insights into your business. If you need any assistance setting this up for you or your team, go to apination.com/KW. There you can call us, send us an email, and even set up a live session of support. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.